calculate index match. So yesterday and day before yesterday we discussed two formula VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP, and you already know how to calculate VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. VLOOKUP means vertical lookup and HLOOKUP means horizontal lookup. So now, but in these two formulas, you find like we have to change our column index every time. So like here we have to change a column and we have to change row index number, but in index or match we don't need to change our column or a row index. Firstly we have to calculate our formula in first cell, and after that we have to just copy. So let's take example here. Okay, equal to index, equal to index, then we have to select range. Okay, then match. What we have to find? We have to find this one, comma. Where we have to find this one? Like in Sony, we have to find this one in unique ID, comma, 0, bracket 1, comma. Again, we have to use match. Now, what we have to find? We have to find brand name, comma. Like we have to select this one, comma, 0, bracket close again, and then enter. Now we have to just phrase the range, and for the first one we have to phrase only f, not 9. Okay, and now in this case we have to just phrase only 8, only 8, and then we have to phrase also our range. Okay, here also we have to phrase our range. Okay, then we get a Sony. Just try to copy this one, D, just copy here, then Control V. We get our answer. Now what you want to check? Let's check anyone. Okay, let's check with uh, anyone. Canon. This one. What is the full answer is? Quantity is 27, 151, 168. Let's check. 27, 150 and 160. So here we don't need to do any extra work. We don't need to change our column index number, row index number. Just we have to use our index, then match, again match. Then no need to do any changes. We get the answer. But what is the drawback? Drawback is we have to just like if we use formula, so in VLOOKUP, in HLOOKUP we have to a unique value and same value. If the value and if the unique range or same is not unique, so you can't do your work and you don't get a proper answer. So here this is also unique and this is also same. If we change this anything, Like if we change this thing, so we don't get the answer. If the heading is different, so we don't get answer. So in VLOOKUP, every time we have to change our column index number. In HLOOKUP, we have to change our row index number. And index match, we have to just use all the formula for once time. And after that, you can copy and paste. You get all your answer. Thank you so much, my dear friend. And tomorrow we will discuss another formula and another function of Excel. Thank you so much.